Hi there, in today's tutorial I want to walk you through how to start Faceless YouTube channel for quiz videos. So if you want to start a quiz video and then you don't want to show your face, then this niche is important for you. If you check on YouTube, channels such as the Mocking Quiz are creating quiz videos like guess the restaurant by emoji, guess the animals by emoji, guess the food by emoji. You can see these videos are getting millions of views. Not just Mocking Quiz, there's another channel called Daily Quiz doing the same thing. And then one of the channels that is very dominant when it comes to this niche is the Quiz Bliss. They are doing so well, getting millions of views. If you search Quiz Bliss on Social Blade, you could see that they are getting millions of views. In the last 30 days, they had 17 million plus views, and then they had about $68,000. That's huge. And then over 83,000 subscribers in just 30 days. So you can also start doing this. And then I have a channel which I created myself, which I'm actually basically doing quiz videos. I've started doing that. I just want to walk you through how you can actually do that yourself. So this is about guess the word, and then the prompt, the resources you need in order to create this, I'm going to share with you. This is a template, and then I'm going to give this just for a token. And then once you get this template, all you have to do is to modify this, and I'm going to give you the prompt as well. So let's see what is going to happen over here. If we check this channel, you can see once you get this template, you can actually create this, use the same concept. You just have to modify the text. So instead of using guess the word, you can use guess the restaurants, the animal, candy, food, drink, and then you can see movie, and then that. So basically we're going to create something like this: guess the word by emoji. So this is basically how it's going to be like. So this is the prompt here we're going to use to generate our words, and then we're going to use ChatGPT to get the words, and then for voiceover we're going to use 11 Labs. So let's jump right into this. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to copy this prompt, the first thing first. So I want us to get some compound words. So here I'm just going to just paste this. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me, instead of 80, let me limit it to 30. So can you give me a list of 30 compound words? So let's do this. So ChatGPT actually went ahead to give me the 30 compound words that I desired. So these are the 30 compound words. The next thing we want to do is that I'm going to copy this. That's the third or the second prompt here, and then we're going to say we'll go back to ChatGPT and we'll paste this prompt. So we are just telling ChatGPT that now that we have our 30 words, we want you to separate these words into two. So the next is for you to place emoji behind the separated words. So let's go ahead and see. So here ChatGPT actually gave me two responses. So you can see here for sunflower, you can see here I have sun and then the flower. So you can see here, so these are the two emojis. Based on this emoji, my viewers can easily guess that this is the sunflower. Then I also have raincoat, and it has been separated into rain and then this word coat. So you can see rain and then coat. So based on the emojis, my viewers can be able to guess the word. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick to one of this here. So let me just go with this one, so I can say I prefer this response. So this is basically what I'm going to use. So you can see here my words have been separated. Now let's go to the next one. So this next one is basically I would just want ChatGPT to arrange them in a tabular form for me. Even though it has done it, I just want to rearrange this. At times you may not get it in a tabular form like this, or what you're going to get is that you're going to see something like this. It will not place them in a tabular form, but it will separate them like this. So you have to use this third option to actually arrange them in a tabular form. So if you get this, you can still go ahead and to implement what I'm going to do. So the description, at the description of this video, I'm going to leave this prompt over there, and then you can actually go ahead to actually copy and then use. Okay, so basically you can see here the emojis, the two emojis that viewers can see, and then guess the word here. They have been separated into separate column, and then also have the enumeration added. So sun, and then this, the raincoat, and then all that. So this is basically what we want. But we also want to add some phrases that viewers can actually listen to whilst they wait for the answer to our emoji. So here we're going to use the last one. Don't worry about this, it's quite long, but I'm going to leave it at the description. So all you have to do is to copy this and then paste onto ChatGPT. So if you are doing this for restaurants and other things, all you have to do is to change the word into maybe restaurants. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So as you can see, we now have the presenter line. So now as you can see, we have the presenter line now. So the emojis, we have this, so we can use this to generate a voiceover for this particular script. So we're going to use this. I'm going to show you how you can actually go ahead and do this. So now we have everything set. And so now when you come to Canva, I have this template which I'm giving for just a token. Don't worry, I will still have some free resources in the coming days, and then you can get some of this for free. So here we have this. So you can see here we're going to use bulk crate, so we don't need to go through any stress. And this is going to be sunflower, and then this is just a transition that we can put in between. So here I have everything generated like a template like this. So all we want to do is that we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and then let's copy this table. Just select this entire table. We copy this entire table. So when we go back to Canva, just scroll down here and then go to bulk crate. If you can't see this, you can actually go ahead and then go to apps, that's apps, and then you can search for bulk crate. So I have it here because I've been using it. I'll just go there and then go to enter data manually, and then here I'm going to paste my data here. So you can see here I still have them in column like that. I'm going to click on done, and then you have to connect them. So you can see the first one is enumeration. So for the numbers, we need to right click here and go to connect data and make sure this is connected. You can see I've used this, so this is already connected. If it's not connected, make sure you connect this, go to connect data and then connect this. You do this for the emoji. So the emoji, we have the emoji one, so connect it to the first emoji here, connect that to the first emoji here, just like this, and then do that for the second emoji as well, as you can see. And then also you need to also do that where you have the answer. So here, this is the answer here. So this is the answer, that's the word. So make sure that is also connected as well. So once that is connected, just go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so as you can see here, we've generated a video that is about 10 minutes 25 seconds long. That is amazing. So this is what is going to happen. These are the two emojis. So the viewer will look at these two emojis and then guess the word. In this case is a sunflower. So when this is done, so I'm just going to play this for you to see. So based on the two emojis, you can easily guess that that is a sunflower. So this is basically going to be the concept for every other emojis that you see. So if you see the next one, which is about, so the next one is about the raincoat. So the two emojis will appear. So you can see this is raincoat. So you just based on these two emojis, and then you can guess the word which is actually raincoat. So that will be up to 30. So you just have to follow the same concept. Everything has already been generated for us. All we need to do is what I'm going to show you next. So here is raincoat. So you can easily go to elements option here, and I can easily search for raincoat. So when you go to the words option, just go to element and then go to photos and look for the respective word. So here is raincoat. So I just have to drag that into this. So this, I use a frame. I use a frame for this. So all you have to do is that locate where the words are. So this is snowflake. So you can actually just go there and then search for that, and then you get the right word to use. So you can see here, you can get the right words you can use for them. So let's try this one. So this two words is asking off. So these two emojis signify butterfly. So here you can actually go to element and then search for butterfly. So here you can see we have the butterfly here. Just drag them, and this is a frame. Like I said, this is going to be available for a token, but also just follow me, subscribe, because I have some other free resources in the coming days. There are several quiz videos you can create. This is just a tip of the iceberg. If you want to also learn how you can create this from scratch, I'll do a separate video on that, and I'll show you how you can do your own animations using Canva. So you can actually start this on your own and do your own animations, and then you can actually use this. For the loading bar is something I created on my own, and then I can share that with you. So my next video, I'll show you how you can create this on your own. You can actually create this on your own from scratch. So if you do this, this is where you go to 11 Labs and then generate your voiceover. So with this last part, you can actually use this, that's a presenter line, to actually generate your voiceover. So just copy this and then you go to 11 labs, paste this right in 11 labs. Now one of the voices you can use to do this, that's Alex Young, American Male. This sounds so well and so entertaining, so I try to use this to generate my voiceovers.
Sunflower, a blooming start to the quiz. Overrule. Let's see if you can guess this one.
So this is amazing. Just download this and then you drag this, just drag this back to Canva and just drop it here. So when you drop this, there's going to be under upload. You can easily go to audio to see that. So the sunflower, where the word is going to show, immediately the word show, that is where you're going to add your voiceover. Just click on that and then you can increase the volume from this side. So here, if I go back and I play this for you to see, so if I go back, I can easily play this for you to see.
Sunflower, a blooming start to the quiz. Overrule. Let's see if you can guess this one.
And then the next one will show. So you're just going to add the voiceover in that order. When you are done, you can just go to share and then download this. Like I said, this is just an introductory video. I'm going to do a comprehensive video on how to create these quiz videos. A lot of quiz videos are there that you can create. Like, subscribe for more. And then, like I said, I'm going to share this with you. So this one is going to be at the description of the video. This particular one, I'm going to leave it at the description. And then for the template also, I'll show you how you can get it for a token. But if you want to get it for free, then you have to give yourself some time, because I'll do a comprehensive video on how you can create this particular one step by step. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.